Hello class 12th. I am going to take a few problems which you people have given me from miscellaneous of chapter 5. So I have started with example 45 and its second part I have taken. So it was given as problem or doubt to me. So fx is equal to tan inverse sin x upon 1 plus cos x. You have to differentiate it with respect to x. Note one thing, whenever inverse functions are given, this is your inverse function. Whenever inverse functions are given तो डायरेक्ट तो हम लोग कभी भी बेटा नहीं करते उसकी डिफ्रेंसिएशन डायरेक्ट नहीं होती, हमें कोई फार्मूला ही बनाना पड़ता है टू मेक इट ईजी. सो साइन एक्स को हमने चेंज कर दिया यूजिंग द फार्मूला साइन टू एक्स इज टू साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स. देयर इज अ फार्मूला, तो यूजिंग दैट फार्मूला वी विल राइट इट हेयर है साइन एक्स को टू साइन एक्स बाय टू कॉस एक्स बाय टू. Similarly, cos 2x का there is a formula 2 cos square x minus 1. From here minus 1 उधर ले जाओ तो 1 plus cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x. So similarly 1 plus cos x will be what then? 2 cos square x by 2. Now cos x by 2 on the in numerator and denominator will be cancelled. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it becomes tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan will be removed now, vanished. So we are left only with x by 2. So fx is x by 2. So differentiate it with both sides with respect to x. So what do you get? F dash x is equal to x by 2 की differentiation will be what? 1 by 2. So simple. So now come to third part of it. Sin inverse 2 raised to power x plus 1. This x plus 1 is in the power of 2. And this is 1 plus 4 raised to power x. So fx is equal to sin inverse. So I have written it like this, 2 raised to power x into 2. So then it is 1 plus 2 and 4 raised to power x is written as 2 raised to power x and its square I have written it like this. Got it? Now let's see what I am putting here. So this is put 2 raised to power x is equal to tan theta. I have put here 2 raised to power x is equal to tan theta. So it becomes fx is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta, because what was it? It is actually 2 raised to power x और हमने 2 raised to power x plus it was 2 raised to power x plus 1. So what does it become? 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 1. So this is written here. So when we have put 2 raised to power x as tan theta, so it becomes 2 tan theta and it becomes 1 plus tan theta का whole square. So it is shown here. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So now this is the formula of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is also equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So using that formula it becomes sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin will again vanish. So it becomes 2 theta. But हमें तो बेटा earlier question was when we have done in the previous question, you can see इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं हमने अपनी तरफ से कुछ पुट नहीं करा था, डायरेक्ट फार्मूलाज में थे, तो क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स फाइनली इन एक्स में ही रहा था. बट यहाँ तो क्वेश्चन में हमने एक्स में कुछ चेंजेस कर दी, तो इट बिकम इन द सेकंड पार्ट आई हैव पुट 2 रेज़ टू पावर एक्स एज tan थीटा. तो एक नया वेरिएबल इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया थीटा. सो इट इज़ एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 थीटा. सो बट हमने थीटा में नहीं जाना, हमें वापस वी हैव टू कम टू इनवर्स दिस एक्स. तो इफ़ यू सी वी हैव पुट 2 रेज़ टू पावर एक्स एज tan थीटा. सो फ्रॉम हियर थीटा विल बी व्हाट? tan इनवर्स 2 रेज़ टू पावर एक्स. सो इट विल बी थीटा इज tan inverse 2 raised to power x. So now putting here value of theta 2 into tan inverse 2 raised to power x. अभी tan inverse x की डिफ्रेंसिएशन क्या होती है? डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग इट बोथ साइड्स, डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स. सो tan inverse x की डिफ्रेंसिएशन 1 upon 1 plus x square. सो सिमिलरली 2 तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, इट इज़ 1 upon 1 plus 2x raised to power square. एंड इंटू बेटा 2 raised to power x is still डिफ्रेंशिएबल, तो हमने डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 2 raised to power x कर दिया. Now what does it become? 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to power 2x. यहाँ पे जब खोलोगे into डिफ्रेंसिएशन ऑफ a raised to power x की डिफ्रेंसिएशन क्या होती है? It is d by dx of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. Similarly this is 2 raised to power x into log 2. Now this is 2 raised to power x, this is 2 raised to power 1. So joining them it becomes 2 raised to power x plus 1. It is log 2 as it is upon 2 रेज़ टू पावर 2x था तो यहाँ लिख दिया, एंड 2 रेज़ टू पावर 2 को हमने 4 लिख के x अलग से डाल दिया. सो 1 प्लस 4 रेज़ टू पावर x इट बिकम्स. गॉट इट? नाउ कम टू योर वन मोर क्वेश्चन. एग्जाम्पल 46 आई हैव टेकन. फाइंड f डैश x if fx is equal to sin x raised to power sin x. Now you can see और आपको पहले भी एक वीडियो में आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि डोंट दिस टेक दीज इंटरवल्स इनटू कंसिडर, डोंट कंसिडर दीज इंटरवल्स, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं है, ये आप तो सिंपल डिफ्रेंशिएट ही करना. नाउ साइन एक्स रेज्ड बाय साइन एक्स, सो व्हाट डू यू सी हियर, फंक्शन की पावर जो है वो भी एक फंक्शन है. सो it can only be solved by taking log. Before differentiating we have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, what does it become? Log fx, and दूसरी तरफ it is log of sin x raised to power x. So log m raised to power n is what? N log m. So that's why it becomes sin log of this. So this is log m raised to power n, so it becomes n log m. Now differentiated both sides, and on this right hand side it is uv function we will apply. So log fx की differentiation is 1 upon fx into fx की f dash x. Similarly sin x we have kept, this we have taken as first function, this is second. First function को ऐसे ही रख दिया और second की differentiation करी. This is 1 upon log sin x है 1 upon sin x into sin x है cos x. Then this is log sin x is kept as it is, and sin x की अपनी differentiation is cos x. Now from here अगर आप इसको शिफ्ट कर दो, क्योंकि वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एफ डैश एक्स इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज रिटन फाइंड एफ डैश एक्स, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड एफ डैश एक्स. सो वी विल शिफ्ट दिस एफ एक्स टू दैट साइड, इट बिकम्स एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स. हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दिस इज sin x cos of x upon sin x, so sin x cancel, we are left with cos x plus cos x log sin x. From here also cos x is taken out common, fx की अपनी value we have put here, so this is cos x 1 plus log sin x is your answer. This is the final answer. Now come to example 47. This is y is given this and x is given this. Can you see the both functions y and x are in the third variable, that is t, and we have to finally find out dy upon dx. So d अभी इसको differentiate आप करोगे, differentiate with respect to t. So differentiating dy by dt we have done it here. So this is a raised to power x की तरह इसकी differentiation होएगी a raised to power x log of a. So this is a raised to power t plus 1 by t log of a, and into the differentiation we will do of t plus 1 upon t, and it becomes 1. t की differentiation is 1 because we are differentiating it with respect to t. 1 and 1 upon t की minus 1 upon t square. Similarly if we move on to x, this is x dx by dt है, तो this a is constant, तो उधर उतर जाएगा, a की पावर a minus 1 होगी, यहाँ पे this power of this is becomes a minus 1 it becomes, and a इधर आ गया. Now इसकी differentiation again d by dt of this, so this is 1 minus 1 upon t square. Now see, we have to finally find out dy upon dx. For that dy upon dt upon dx by dt we have written here, these will be cancelled, 1 minus 1 upon t square, this is cancelled here, so we are left with a raised by t plus 1 upon t log a, and a into t plus 1 upon t raised by a minus 1. This is your final answer. Now example 48 is also very much important. ऐसी कुछ I think question related to it is not given in the exercise, but this is very important example. Now see what is he saying, differentiate this with respect to this. अभी तक तो आपने ये कहा differentiate this with respect to x, या this with respect to t आप करते हो, तो आप क्या लिखते हो? अगर किसी फंक्शन आपको differentiate y with respect to x करते हो, तो आप फाइनली उसको क्या लिखते हो? dy by dx. तो इट मीन्स मेरे को भी d of this, अगर मेरे को differentiate this with respect to this करना, इसको y या कुछ भी माना, तो differentiate this d by नीचे जो डी एक्स है उसकी जगह तो डी रेज टू एक्स की जगह ई कॉस एक्स आना चाहिए. गॉट इट? सो टू अवॉइड दैट कन्फ्यूजन हमने पहले तो इसको लिख दिया, लेट दिस इज यू एंड दिस ई रेज टू कॉस एक्स इज वी. नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? डिफ्रेंशिएट यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वी हैव टू डू. डिफ्रेंशिएट यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वी, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डी यू अपॉन डी वी. गॉट इट? अब यहाँ से देखो बेटा, u we have taken science correct, so you will find here du by dx from here. So du by dx is what? 2 sin x cos x, because 2 की इधर गया 2 sin x into sin x की cos x. Now dv by dx के लिए v is equal to e raised by cos x, and this is differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx is this e raised to cos x as it is, as cos x की differentiation is minus sin x. Now for finding out du upon dv, what do you write? du upon dx upon dv by dx. I have shown you कि वो finally आपको du by dv ही देंगे. So this is du upon dx upon dv by dx we've written. So finally putting the values 2 cancel, and this is your final answer, because sin x also cancels. So this is your final answer. Now I'll discuss few questions of miscellaneous of exercise of chapter 5 also in the next video, because video is going to be longer. Thank you. Have a nice